524 Auburn Street. Nice wide tree-lined street. Very central to town. So here we are inside 524 Auburn Street. Got a bedroom to the right and a bedroom to the left. This is the bedroom on the right hand side at the front of the house. Good queen size room and a good built-in. Got hanging just for the owner's privacy. Won't show it off too much, but we've got hanging and shelving. So we'll call that bedroom 1. This one bedroom 2, although it's got masses of built-ins. This could easily be bedroom 1. The other one's probably a bit bigger. So we'll call it this bedroom 2, set up with a lounge in it currently, but definitely a second bedroom. And then back out into the hallway, you've got lounge to the left, bathroom to the right, and then in through the dining and kitchen. So we'll show you the lounge room next. Gas heating. Good size room. Bathroom. Very solid, double brick, straightforward home. Small bath and toilet in there, vanity. Here's our dining and kitchen. Got a ceiling fan there. That's the back of the heater. Also produces heat into this room. Nice and warm. Kitchen, that's a vinyl lino floor, bit of a different style. Nice modern electric upright stove. Decent amount of bench space and the dining off it. And we go through into another little room. He's got his fridge in there. Got storage there, using that as a pantry. And bedroom 3. The owner has a freestanding robe there. And then the back area. Bit of a sunroom, sitting room area, another storage space. This one's ideal for a broom closet, linen. The back door is there, the backyard out that room. It's a built-in shelving space. Excuse my casual look here, working from home at the moment in the casual attire, but got a laundry off that room and then into the bathroom. Vanity. Should have got better dressed for this. Toilet and shower. So we've got the 2 toilets, shower off the laundry, bathroom separate. So 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, lounge, dining, and then small sunroom. So there's some good areas. That's the back door to the house. Just a couple of steps there and screen door. Yes, we're COVID conscious. Here's our backyard. Great little yard. A couple of water tanks there. Rear lane access and garage. Plus a garden shed. Good drainage. bulbs in there. The shed's divided into a couple of sections. This one here currently set up as a gym. Good workshop area. Here's the other part of the garage. It's a single car garage. Classic old style brick garage it is. Back out to the yard, you've got the garden shed on a slab. That's where that other section of the garaging is. You could open it up into a 2 tandem length garage, could be an option. There's the back of the house. Another tank and the rear lane access. Double gates and a separate gate there. Have a look over the fence, the rear lane, that's off Shepherd Street, just nearby. Through to Kinghorn Street. Good solid old-fashioned Hills hoist for your clothesline. Up the side here. Got another tank and the gas hot water system. A little bit of repointing done there. All in all, looks a good solid home. Great location. That's the other side. Nice neat gardens. Very well presented. And this one's a guava tree. The owner gave me a taste of a couple of guavas. They're actually really nice. Lovely place to relax on the front veranda. Just watch the world go by.